So let's have an example here in cofactor expansion. Okay, given that we have matrix A, so we need to find its determinant. Okay, so let's say I want to expand the first row of this given matrix. Okay, I want to expand this. Let me use this pen. I want to expand the first row of this given matrix. So therefore, I need to find the cofactor. Find the cofactor of 2, 0, and 3. This 2 is represented as A11. This 0 is represented as A12. Sorry. It should be 2 here, and this one is 0. Next, this 3 is represented by A13. Okay. We need to find the cofactor of these 3 elements. Okay? So starting with A11, so our A11 is equal to 2. Okay? So our formula to get the cofactor of this is AC11 equals to -1 raised to I plus j. So our I is equal to 1 and our j is equal to 1 also. Next, we will multiply this by its minor, okay? Minor, which is M11. Okay. To get the M11, okay, so we need to find the submatrix, okay, for this minor. So this M11, okay, so we need to remove the first row and as well as the first column from the original matrix. So we need to remove this. We need to remove, okay, let me write here, okay. We need to remove this first row and first column. Okay. So next is we need to write the remaining elements. Okay, that will be 5, 8, 6, and 9. Next, let's solve for its determinant. Okay, we can use the Leibniz formula to solve for the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so we have, so let me just take this. So okay, 5 times 9, 8 minus 8 times 6. Okay. So further simplify. So the answer will be 5 times 9, that is 45, minus 8 times 6, that is 48. So the answer will be -3. Okay. So continuation of this. So this -1 raised to 1 plus 1 is equal to -1 raised to 2, or simply 1, okay, times its minor, okay, M11, that is -3. So our cofactor, or the C11, okay, is equal to -3. Okay, so we're done here in our first element. Okay, the A11. So now let's try to solve the cofactor of A12. Okay. So we have A12 which is equal to 0. Okay. The C12, okay. So let me use this pen. So the C12 is equal to -1 raised to I plus j, which is our I is 1 and our j is 2. Okay. Times the minor of this element. Okay. The M12. Okay. So let's try to solve the M12. M12. So that is equal to this. Okay. We need to find the determinant. Okay. So this time, okay. So this time, we will remove, okay, the following rows and columns. So we need to remove the first row, okay, the first row, and the second column, okay, from the original matrix. So our remaining elements will be 4, 6, 7, and 9. 7, 8, 7, 9. Okay. So applying the Leibniz formula to get the determinant of this submatrix. Okay. Multiply these elements. So we have 4 times 9. Okay. Minus the product of this element. So we have minus 7 times 6. Okay, the answer here will be 36 minus 42, which is equal to -6. So this is the determinant of this minor 1, 2. Okay. So we can now substitute the value here. Okay. So we have -1 raised to 1 plus 2, which is equal to -1, right? Times the value of M12, which is -6. So the answer here is +6. So our C12 or the cofactor of this A12 is equal to 6. So now let's proceed in finding the cofactor of this element. Okay, so we're done here. Okay, so this time we need to find the cofactor of this A13. Okay, given our element is A13 equals to 3, the cofactor of this will be C13. Okay, C13 equals -1 raised to I plus j. Our I is equal to 1 and our j is equal to 3 times its minor, which is M13. So to get its minor, so we have M13 from our original matrix, matrix A, we need to remove the following. So we need to remove the row 1, okay, remove the row 1 and column 3. Next, so we need to write the remaining elements. So we have 4, 5, 7, and 8. So using the Leibniz formula for a 2 by 2 matrix, we need to compute its determinant. By the way, it should be written like this, since we are looking for the determinant. Okay? It It should be absolute value. So, okay. So we need to get the product of this element. 4 times 8, okay? And subtract it by this product. 7 times 5. Okay? So the answer here is we have 4 times 8 is 32. Okay? And 7 times 5 is 35. So the answer here is negative 3. So the determinant, okay, or our minor 1, 3 is negative 3. So back to here, to this equation. So we have cofactor times this. Negative 1 raised to 1 plus 3. It is simply equal to positive 1, okay, times its minor, which is negative 3. So our cofactor 1, 3 of this element 1, 3 is equal to negative 3. So to get the determinant of this matrix A, so that will be the summation of this element, okay, element times its corresponding cofactor. Okay, so we have A11 times its cofactor C11 plus A12 times its cofactor which is C12 plus A13 times C13. Direct substitution, so we have 2 times negative 3 plus 0 times 6 plus 3 times negative 3. Okay. So we have 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6, plus 0 times 6 is simply 0, 3 times negative 3, that is negative 9. Okay. So the answer here, the determinant of this matrix A is equal to negative 15. So that's how you get the determinant of A matrix using the cofactor expansion.